What up, y'all? Let's get right into it. This is the market you want. You don't want markets that go up all day. You don't want bull markets. And I'm talking to you traders out there. The last thing you want is a market that just goes in one direction because it basically ends your career. If the market starts to go up every day, what's the point of trading? That's why I hate bull markets nowadays. It diminishes the skill set that we have. And what a skill set we do have, my friends. Because today alone, there was over 18 opportunities to get paid. And I'm not just saying paid, like ridiculous paydays. We're in this UCAR, which kind of started as a joke at $4.20. And I'm again, I'll walk you through it right now. This stock started out, hey, what's this? I don't know. It's UCAR. Hey, that's a funny symbol. I wonder what they do. And the joke was, well, maybe they have a chip, an AI chip that you shove in your brain and you become a car. Boom. I got a company now. Let's buy the stock. So it's breaking VWAP. It's ripping, it's ripping, it's ripping. Next thing you know, there comes the 420. First to 414. You know about 414? You're not room 414. You room 414? I'm not room 414. You're not room 414. Who's 414? And then it breaks 420. And that's the joke. So it broke four. It went to 414. It broke 420. We bought it at 420, used 414 and four as the stop. This thing goes to 450. You sell it. Day's pay. Next thing you know, it consolidates above the VWAP and breaks 475. We bought it again. 475 got us up to the fives. And then sold into the move, right? And then you're trying to, you keep an eye on it. The market opens up. Another 115 different opportunities came up. Palantir, 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 ENVX, NNOX, ENVX, NNOX, Palantir. Then you had AAP rolling over again. You had Credo earnings. You had so many different opportunities to make money. So when you look at the market, the way I look at it, none of what is going to happen matters. It doesn't matter. You trade what you see and you make money and then you run. It's Thursday. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. It's beautiful out. And, I got physical therapy to do with my mother in law. I got things to do. I'm not going to sit here all day and watch the market. For what? I don't care about what happens tomorrow. I don't own anything. The money's in the pocket. And that's it. There was no joke. I'm underestimating. There was 18 trades that I saw. Do you know how many that means? That there was probably 180 opportunities because I'm only one person watching a select amount of stocks. There is so much opportunity. And that's why it's not about what's going to happen. It's about what is happening. And if you learn how to trade the what is happening, then you could take that and parlay that into a world of adventures. You want to own Rambus? Now you're in the hands of the Matrix, right? Yeah. I think it's going to 250. Great. Now what? Okay. What are you going to wait here for it to go to 250? It might take 18 months or 2 years, but it probably will go to 250, especially with the AI revolution and the new bull market that just started a year ago. That's just getting started, right? We're about to have an 8 to 12-year bull market that started last June. There is no recession. There is no crash. Nobody cares. Nobody cares about any of that stuff. People want in. People want in this market, and that's all that matters. Every dip is being bought. We can't even sell off. These are not sell offs. These are consolidations of a bull market run from hell. We've been rallying every day since the pivot in March of 2023. We've been rallying pretty much from the double bottom in October of 2022. This market is relentless. Every dip is being bought on predominantly every stock, but some get sold into, some break out, and that's it. That's the whole market. You don't have to do a deep dive analysis into this. This is just what you see. And then every once in a while, a stock like UCAR comes around. What the hell is this? Who cares? It's an AI chip company that puts a chip behind your ear and you become a car. You car. That's what they do. If that's what they do, isn't that freaking fantastic? I have no idea what they do. It's letters and numbers. You car. Who cares what it is? There was 750 calls out there for 30 cents. They went to 350. We looked, I didn't even notice they had options up until, when the stock was sitting there at $6. And the 750s were a dollar. They still went up to 3. I mean, it doesn't matter. Look what Credo's doing. CRDO. We got crushed on that stock. But did we? We didn't. Look, Credo. We have a 1750 30 August call spread that was written off. It was already zero. Now it's coming back. This is like free money. Who the hell thought Credo would be $15 in June? Nobody did. Stock's up 120%. And now they reported earnings and the stock's up 13%. What happened? It's because the market never goes down. And when it does, it always comes back. Always. He just walks away in the middle of his video. That's kind of odd. Yeah, well, I got a life and my dog to take care of. I got a new roommate. You guys know about my new roommate. Mother-in-law had a stroke, taking care of her now. Sup, roomie? Gotta give her the tour. Gotta do laps around the house. Got the squishy toys. Um, so yeah, I mean, this is incredible. This is again, now you understand why bull markets piss me off, right? You should have seen the smile on my face. Did you catch the good mood I was in? Just seeing red on the screen makes me feel happy. Because I know that's an opportunity for us to make money on the downside. And I also know it's giving us an opportunity for when it turns and rips all the bears' heads off. I mean, this is the market. This is the market. I blew my account up. Not just my account, my life. And now, nope. No more shorting the market. Now, I will short stocks every once in a while. You cannot short the market for any extended period of time. It's impossible. Look at every chart. Nobody could stay short the Qs or the S&Ps or the Dow Jones for any extended period of time without losing money. It's impossible. So it's almost to the point where why even try? Like those short strangles that I have, I've been blown out of them. Even though I'm 100 points out of the money, those dollar options that I sold, they're like $5, $6 now. I'm getting killed. There's no point. There's never a point of selling calls. There's never just trade. Just make money and take the money. Because you got to spend the money. The real question is, did you take the Mariners last night? And are we going to take Jimmy Buckets? Because man, I don't like to bet on the team that I'm rooting for. I hate that guy, the Joker. I hate that guy. I'm huge. I love Jimmy Bucket. I love Butler, man. I can't believe I'm rooting for the Heat so much, man. But I love them. I like this. I like this team. I haven't watched full games of basketball in 30 years. It's been pretty good. But if you know sports gambling and the stock market, the reason that I like them both equally is that it's all about trends. It's all about trends. And I've got trends that have been working for 40 years at sports gambling. But every day it is absolutely incredible. I mean, and then you get a stock like UCAR. It's just ridiculous. It's ridiculous how much opportunity there is on a daily basis. And I came in today thinking it might be kind of a boring, choppy day. Nope. You get paid Get paid, man. NNOX kind of was, icing on the cake. Just pulled back to the half, grabbed some. By the way, NNOX, right? This is not a day trade or a swing trade. This is an investment for me. So I'm holding it for the next year. But do you know how many times this stock has gone up and down on a daily basis? The trade's already been paid for 1,000 times over, right? That's over. That's an exaggeration. But if you're trading NNOX, right, and you're still in it, first of all, it's still positive from where we bought it. We were in from 12 and a half, 13, 15, 17.50. We were buying calls when it broke 12.50. We're still positive on the trade. It just now ran out of steam. And when stocks run out of steam, it reminds me, why the hell do I own this stock? Who cares? This thing's moved up and down $1, $2, $3. Yesterday, you had a 2-point move up and then a 2.5-point move down. That's 5 points. Not saying you're going to make all five, but you make a buck and change on the way up and you made a buck and change on the way down. That's 2 and change. You paid $4 for the April 15s. You just paid for the trade. That's how you swing. And you got to find yourself a wife that is into it. What? That's how you swing. You take something out of the day trade and then you say, all right, cool. I can hang on to some of this. And by the way, let me just say one more time, I own no Rambus. I'm begging, I'm pleading with it. Please come back to daddy. I'd like to buy some under 58. If Rambus is not under 58, I'm telling you, this thing's going to go to 250 without me. I don't even own it. I'm the worst. If I buy it here, this thing goes back to 58 2 days later. And I'm like, oh, blah, 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 blah. And by the way, if you haven't noticed, MVIS, my man's been pleading with us to buy it since $1.95 2 weeks ago. Guy comes on the channel here and he's been pleading with us. And it's not just him. So this is how you trade. This guy knows MVIS. He's always been talking about it for 20 years. So he seems to know when the stock's going to get active. And he's been nailing it for us, nailing it, right? But even though, let's say this guy is awful. No. Let's say he's great. Let's stick with this train of thought. He's been doing right by you. Man, this guy keeps nailing this MVIS trade. This guy, oh my God, I can't wait. As soon as he mentions it, I'm going to buy it. No, you're not. Take it under advisement that this guy knows the stock really, really well, and then wait for it to break VWAP in a range. Then buy it. Because if you have a good notion that something's going to do something, let it be validated by the VWAP and price, and then go get it. You're a little bit late. Who cares? But you're getting the validation that you're going to be right. Look at this thing. Goes back to 5. I mean, the market is unrelentless right now. There's buyers on everything. They're just going to disappear. Bull market is raging right now. Money is pouring in. What about the economy? Who cares, right? Who cares about the economy? The economy has no effect on the stock market. It's disconnected from the reality. It's disconnected from the stock market is disconnected from reality, let alone economics. It's all bullshit. And I've been proving it for 20 years now. It's bullshit. The stories just get louder at the bottom and they get louder at the top. When Cathie Wood was the champion of the stock market, you could feel that was the top because everybody was a bull. There was no bears left. And they put this woman, a momentum day trader, as a hedge fund manager. No, she wasn't. She's a day trader, a momentum day trader. And it went really bad for her, right? And then when do they scream the loudest about the bear market? At the bottom, right? The capitulation on CNBC, tech sector is dead. We're never going to come out of this. We're going to have an agonizing sideways market till we figure this out. The market's never going to rally with the interest rates at 5%. That was the story. And here we are. Now the story is everybody wants in. That's it. Now we're still climbing the wall of worry. So when the Kathy Woodtop comes around, which it will, you'll see. After this market rallies and rallies and rallies and rallies and suckers the last bear, you got to get, again, I've given up shorting. You got to get them all. We got to get all the bears to say, fuck this. I'm never shorting the market ever again. That's when we sell off. When they start championing, when a new day trader / hedge fund manager becomes the champion, stock picker, that's when we sell off. Owning stock is a waste of time. It really is. ENVX, we've been in the calls for over 2 months. They're back up 30%. I'm glad the options are up. But in the last 3 days, you could have traded ENVX. So in the last 10 days on ENVX alone, you got an $11 move to 12. You had the 12.50 right back down to 11.50. 11.50 got back to 12.50. Breaks back over the 12.50. You got to 13 that day. 13 went back to 11.50. 12.50 got you back to 13.50. 13.50 fell back to 12.50. 12.50 got you 14.50. These are real money-making trades. But if you own the stock, you're happy it's up 2 points in the last 6 days, but chances are to go back to down $1 tomorrow. And then they'll go back up $1. And then 2 months later, the stock's still at $16. Who gives a shit about owning stocks? Who cares? But you do it with profits from trading. You want to own Rambus, you better make some money day trading Rambus. And then you put it into the options. I'm sitting here on the bid. I'll show you what I'm trying to buy on Rambus. And I'll tell you, I'll make a formal announcement when I buy the stock back, and you'll see it drop 20% the next day. I'm telling you, I'm the worst. Why continue to do something that I know doesn't work for me? Maybe it works for other people. My dad makes money long-term investing because he has patience and money. I don't have any patience. I'm not waiting. I'm not waiting to get paid. I need the money. We're trading a casino. You go to the casino, you get paid, right? The casino's not going to tell you, well, why don't you just wait for your money? No, I just won. Give me the money. So Rambus 2025, right? Sorry. Rambus, my birthday. Yeah, there's no way I'm buying these. There's no way. So I know this might sound insane because it kind of is, right? I'm trying to buy the $55 calls. I'm talking about November 15, 2024, right? There's nobody trades these stocks. I'm trying to buy a deep in the money call. That's how I'm going to own the stock. And then I'm going to sell 45 points out of the money. And I'm going to sell the 95. It's just a couple. And then when the stock starts to get into the 80s and maybe it goes to 120 and I could sell $120 or $150 call, I'll sell those too. But I'm trying to buy the 55s for basically, well, there's no way I'm getting them for 15, but that's what I'm trying to do. November 15, 55s for 15. They're $19.50 bid by $23. I'm on the bid at $15. Because then your cost average is what? $70. So I don't want to pay more than $70 for Rambus. I'm trying to go buy some long dated options on them. And if I get them, I get them. If I don't, I see my buddy bought the other ones I told him about. May 70s. He got them for $11 today. That's May of next year. I mean, there isn't much. Oh, cool. Dude, is anybody watching AI right now? The stock is ripping. I mean, when you come in and you see a stock that you wanted to buy getting slaughtered, I mean, you should be like, yeah, all right. This is awesome. There's a weed symposium at the Javits Center. I was not invited to the weed symposium. Eric, want to go to the weed symposium at the Javits Center tomorrow? It's two of my favorite things, weed and symposiums. Hey, by the way, if anybody was thinking I was joking about the penny stock that night, here it is. That's this is my man right here. He's going to the weed symposium. He's the penny gangster. You got paid. I mean, the thing actually did move. I think it was 30 cents and it went to 38. Again, I don't like penny stocks at all, but this one has been a payer. This one we got paid on. Anybody know SNRG? I am not recommending this stock to anybody, but it has been a winner for us 2 or 3 times. My boy loves it. He's in a ton of it. It makes me feel icky even talking about stocks that are under 250. It's just dirty, but risk on, baby. Risk on. Everything's working right now. So sick. All right, so let's go back to the one that didn't work. OKTA. Yes. I see what you got there. OKTA. I see what you're doing there, and I condone it. Is that the word? Condone? I approve of this message. OKTA, you buying it? Where'd you buy it? You're already in it. All right, I'm not going to fuck your trade up. I'm done for the day. Where'd you buy it? 71.50? You just hit VWAP. You sell a little bit there. There you go. 72. Oh man, it's right now. It's just the cues. This is just sick. I mean, the market. It's so cute right now. How it tries to go down, and you know it's not going down. You know it's not going down. Why? Why is it going down? Why would it go down? Why would the market go down right now? Because there's a recession coming. Is there? Do you know that? Who cares? Just buy OKTA, buy the Qs. Let's go. OKTA for the win. Let's go. There you go. 10s are trading, 20s are trading. There you go. 11s are trading, 17s are trading. Let's go. I'm not going to buy it. I don't want to mess you up. Once I call it for the day, I don't trade anymore. I did my one trade. I watched the stock that I made 20 cents on go up $8 without me. I'm good. I'm good. I got my frustration trade already. I'm good. Let's go bull market. Yay. My kid's kicking ass so far. You know, just got to get him over the hump. We got to train him on every platform. I want him to be able to trade every platform there is. CRM, I don't know. I don't watch that stock. I banned it. That's why. I don't trade Salesforce. It's one of those stocks I've taken off the radar. But yeah, good job. Blue to orange. Yeah. Whatever. You know how many trades there were that we didn't catch? Just catch the AI. There's 1,000 trades. And you know what? There's 1,000 trades that will probably happen today, and I won't do any of them because I'm done. I'm following the rules, man. I've already missed 13 different opportunities. I don't keep pushing. Carvana's going to go to $20. It's going out. It's going without me today. Stock shook me out. It's got it's only a 9-month VWAP break. Yeah, on a stock that's heavily shorted. Yeah, because Carvana's going out of business. But every time it goes down, it seems to go right back up. So that's a stock that's going up, not down. I don't care if Carvana eventually goes out of business. This thing's about to, I don't want to say where I think it's going to go because who cares? It's going up. And it goes up almost every time I look at it. Every time it goes down, there's buyers there. Every time it goes down, there's buyers there. Every time it goes down, there's buyers there. That's a stock that's not going to go down because it's trying to go down and it's not. Live in reality. They announce bankruptcy 3 days from now. Nobody knows unless you're an insider of the company. What do you need to own Carvana for? You don't. Today it breaks VWAP, you buy it. This stock is so sick that, I've been debating whether to buy leaps on Carvana. I think this thing could go to $50. And I'm serious. Because just the short squeeze alone gets it to 20. If Carvana, I'm telling you guys, if this piece of garbage company, which legitimately could go out of business at any minute, this stock breaks, what's this price? 1987, you might be looking at a $45 stock. And the options are relatively cheap, especially with the weeklies. Palantir, every dip is a buy. I mean, every dip is a buy. OKTA, there you go. There you go. OKTA for the win. You don't need a monster trade to get paid. Here it is. OKTA, you're in. There you go. You just got the half, right? Now you take some off the table. There you go. Now don't sell it all because we've been waiting all day for the move, right? You sell 72.50. You've been waiting all freaking day for this thing to wake up. Here it is. I told you under 20%, you start looking to buy it. Because most of the time, if it's a real company, which I believe OKTA is a real company, if they're down more than 20% on an earnings report, there tends to be buyers at that magic number. So once it got under 20%, you start looking for the buyers to show up. But none of that matters because you got AI. Because you got AI when the stock was at $30.39. Now it's up to $5. Now you're up $5 on this trade when it pivoted. I mean, there is just a stupid amount of opportunity on a daily basis. It is just absolutely it's bewildering to me at this point that there is this much opportunity. And once you have your skill set down, you start to see it. Oh, all right, I missed this one. There'll be another one in 5 minutes. Oh, 2 minutes. Oh, 30 seconds later. All right, cool. OKTA. Oh, okay, cool. Oh, wow. Man, I really missed that one. Shit. Oh, I wonder if I'll ever find another trade to do. Oh, here's one. Oh, cool. I could risk 8 cents to possibly make $1 on this. All right, cool. Oh, there it goes. Look, I'm making money. Oh, I wonder if I'll ever find another trade ever again. The fear of missing out is killing me. Oh, man, I really wish I would have bought blah, 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 blah. Who cares? Who cares? There's another trade 5 minutes from now. Or you might have to wait till tomorrow. Oh, no. What are we doing here? Trying to get paid. There's 100 trades to choose from today. Oh, my mail order bride's here. Holy crap, look at her. Yes, it is. How are you? I got it taken care of, but if something changes, I'll give you guys a call. You got it. All right, thanks. Bye. Leg lifts. You all right? OKTA people for the win. And you thought it wouldn't happen today. By the way, thank you. See, this is a community moment right here. The community has alerted me to this trade. Just like Sid was saying, hey, how come you're not trading CRM? Didn't miss this OKTA, did you? There you go. Ass crack break, 71.50. You got the 72.80 out of it now. Bang, bang. Bang, bang, partner. You sell up here. This is your target because this was our entry price from the first trade that we did. So now it came back to the same exact price because the market's rigged to price. The computers don't care. Computers don't care what the difference is between OKTA or ENVX or UCAR, which I still don't know what they do. UCAR. Implantable chip to turn you into a car. But man, you came in. Oh man, I really wish I could have bought that AI stock. Stock was at $30 this morning. It's up 6 points. Did you do it? Let me just give you one more tidbit of information. The next time everybody's screaming fire, run towards the fire. When they say everything's all right, run back towards the nearest fire. Wait, the fire, run towards the fire. Right. You know what I'm saying, right? Everything's awesome. Everything's always awesome. Don't fall for it.
I'm gonna get Chipotle if you want some.
Yeah.
I could also get gas in your car for you.
Chipotle before 12 o'clock, that just spells trouble for me.
Do you want it?
Yeah.
What do you want?
I'll get the regular burrito.
Okay.
I just better get the doctors on call.
Right.
You going now?
Yeah, I guess so. Can you give me some cash? I'll put it in your car.
Cash?
Yeah.
You made yourself your own money this week, kid. Beat it.
No, I'm saying I'll put the gas in your car. Just give me like $50.
$50?
Or $40.
$40?
Do you want a full?
Sounds like a good Jewish joke right there. The grandson asked the grandfather for he said, Grandpa, can I have $20? $10? What do you need $5 for? Still one of my favorite jokes. How was copper wire invented? Two Jews found the same penny. It's from like the 3rd grade. All right, you guys. You got what you came for. You got a couple of trades. Everybody made some money. Market's phenomenal. And everything is awesome. All right? Call me.